Lesson 4.6 is determining the minimum, the maximum, and the period from a trig equation. Again, nothing super new, just kind of expanding on what we've already learned. So to find the minimum and the maximum, saying what's the highest that a curve goes, what's the lowest that a curve goes. And so first I want to find the midline. So the midline is at 2. I'm not even going to put y equals, I'm just going to put 2. So I know that my maximum is going to be, so if this is 2, it's going to go up 8. So 2 plus 8 would put my max at 10. And it's also going to go down 8. Well, 2 minus 8 would put me at a minimum of -6. So that's how you can think of it without even graphing anything. Sorry, one more. Midline this time is -4. So I need to not worry about the negative, because remember that just tells you that it's going to go down. It's got that reflection where it goes down before it goes up. So it goes middle for sign, then low instead of high. But anyways, all I need to know is the 5. So it's going to go up 5 from that and down 5 from that. So -4 plus 5 would be a max of 1. -4 minus 5 would be a minimum of -9. Here's just a picture to kind of help you with that math, saying here's the midline. This was actually this problem right here, and we subtracted 5 and we added 5. Okay, and then the only other thing is determining the period of the following trig functions. Remember, period is 2 pi divided by b. It really is the same as what we've been doing, is having the b, whether capital or lowercase, but b is 2 pi divided by the period. This is what we've been seeing, but to solve an equation, picture you're multiplying by period on each side, dividing by b. These two are interchangeable, so the formulas stay the same. But anyways, all I'm looking at is finding the number that got multiplied by x. So in this problem, 4/7 is the b. So to find the period, I'm taking 2 pi divided by 4/7. Well, 2 pi is over 1, divided by 4/7. I can't divide fractions, so I keep the first one the same, change the multiplication, and then the reciprocal of this one. I'm going to cross simplify, divide out of 2, so that would get me 7 pi over 2 is the period. Okay, one more because it looks different. This is in the form where it does have a horizontal shift, but I'm not worried about that. All I'm worried about still is what got multiplied with the x. So that's my 3 pi over 2. So my period is going to be 2 pi. I'm going to go ahead and write divided by 3 pi over 2, which is going to be 2 pi over 1 times 2 over 3 pi. Pi's are going to cancel, but nothing else will. Multiply straight across, you get 4/3. So anytime you're dealing with the period or finding b, you're taking 2 pi divided by the other number, which in turn makes you multiply by the reciprocal if you have fractions.